The SIMATIC S7-1500 is the ultimate plus in engineering, offering integrated diagnostics, technology, and security. System diagnostics is built into the firmware of the S7-1500 controller and requires no configuring. In this example, using the HMI, we are able to introduce a wire break. We can see by looking at the input card, we have a red LED indicating the channeling fault. The CPU display provides a plain text alarm on where there is a fault using symbolic names defined in the code. This same information is also available to view on the HMI as shown on the Diagnostics viewer. And that same message can be seen on the CPU's web server too. The CPU web server also provides access to the controller's diagnostic buffer, which is a log of diagnostic events. This can be saved as a CSV file for interpreting later. Under topology, the Profinet network architecture is displayed and can be used to diagnose faults. We can see media redundancy protocol is being used. All the Profinets are connected in a ring. As an example, if the ring is broken by removing a cable, then this is highlighted in yellow. With system diagnostics requiring no code, they work even when the CPU is in stop. Process diagnostics gives you the ability to create your own alarms that are then managed centrally from the SIMATIC controller. PLC alarms are time-stamped by the CPU, giving you millisecond accuracy when diagnosing process faults. You can also embed process values in these alarm messages. In this example, we have a tank in a plant with high and low limits configured. Currently, the high level is 80%. When the tank level goes above this, an alarm is triggered with the limit value embedded in the text. The limit value can also be changed in runtime. This changes when the alarm is triggered and the new value is now shown in the alarm text. So from one point of configuration, alarm messages are displayed on all the connected HMIs, SCADA, CPU web server, and CPU display.